In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone in Facebook. First, you can open your facebook.com/settings and using this tab blocking. You can open these URLs. I put link into description if you want using blocking unblocking setting in Facebook. You can just using this link. You can hit enter and you'll find here there is some Facebook user that we have blocked it, and if we need to unblock, we need just to click this unblock and then confirm. That's a tutorial how to unblocking someone in Facebook. I put link this into description. You can just go to that link, or you can see this in clear like this. Thanks for watching.